Hello everybody and welcome back. We have an unboxing today. This is another eBay package. Link in the description. We have to give Cotty cookies. We almost screwed up on this unboxing. Yeah, well, this was the package. Yeah, these weren't that hard to find. I figured this would have been a hard unit to find, but they look like they're in abundance. So good bubble bag. Pretty tough. Yeah, let's see what we have here. It's in the description or in the title, so. I made an offer, but I wanted to pay. I didn't want to pay more for this than I paid for the machine. So, but I need this to test the machine. It was the item I got from the logic analyzer I got for the Tektronix surplus store. Good packing. Okay. Yeah, there are about a dozen of these on eBay. I figured why not make an offer what I was willing to pay, and ended up accepting it. So this is a probe for the logic analyzer. We'll be doing a teardown on this probe. So they're a little different, but let's give Cotty some cookies. Everybody likes Cotty. If you don't like Cotty, unsubscribe. If you like Cotty, subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, like. If you're not a subscriber, like. We need to get the like ratio count up. So we'll catch y'all later. Thanks for watching.